Welcome back to Cheap Horsepower, everybody, or I should say Cheap Idiot, because, oh my god, did I have this thing backwards. So, I installed it like this. It's actually, you can see the outline right there. You see where my mess up is. Yeah, this is actually supposed to be facing the inside, like that. I didn't do that. And when I installed everything, I had everything so perfect, ready to go. And then I go to turn the starter, and then it's going, like, spinning. And this chain is spinning, and it's not turning the flywheel. And I'm like, why isn't it turning the flywheel? I'm like, oh, wait a second. I installed the clutch backwards. So if you have that same problem, this guy is actually supposed to go like, it's supposed to go like that, not like this.